What is up, Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at another Firestar firework. Again, that's Star Spangled Novelties house brand Firestar. This is a 500 gram 16 shot cake called the Last Call. As you can see, obviously, last call, closing time. We all know we don't like that time of night. See your performance right here on top, right in front of my face. So we have effects. Obviously, we had to save out of the assortment of 4 that I got. This one had to save it because it's got all the crackle in it. Crackling tail to yellow palm, crackling tail to green palm, crackling tail to silver palm, crackling tail to silver chrysanthemum. All I know is if it's got crackle in it, most likely I'm going to like it, especially if it's lived up to the last 3 cakes that we've shot from Firestar. They hit pretty hard. They're definitely on the high end of 500 gram cakes. They're not weak 200 gram breaks in the 500 gram cake, so I'm really excited to check this one out. I'm really excited that I'm just going to go ahead and jump straight in the demo. So we have Firestar Fireworks 500 gram 16 shot cake called Last Call. I hope you Pyros enjoy. For now, I will see you Pyros next week with another demo video. Kick ass. Oh, neighbors liked it. You know they liked it. It's got to be a good cake.